What's up YouTube? In this video, I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is, how it works, why it is so common, like why you see so many YouTubers saying they're making tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars a year from affiliate marketing. And I'm also going to provide 2 examples of companies that do affiliate marketing so that you might be able to get started today. As always, like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Affiliate marketing is kind of like the digital version of referrals back in the day, before there was any technology. The way that affiliate marketing works is that you as a creator will recommend a product which you find you enjoy, and the viewer will be able to buy that product. And the way that they track it is either through a unique link which installs like a cookie onto the viewer's browser, or it can also be a special code. So for example, Squarespace is a very easy one, where if I recommend Squarespace for you to use, I can say use the code SIU10 to get 10% off of your purchase. That's the most common one when it comes to using codes. And when it comes to using a unique link, those are like products, let's say a Sephora on Sephora or something, where I recommend a makeup product that you can use. And by clicking the link that I put in the description, Sephora will be able to track that I was the one who was able to refer to you to buy that product. Now let's talk about why it is so common and just the nature of it, because I always like just looking into the psychology behind it. The reason why it is so common to start off with is because of the fact that any product can be adapted to be an affiliate, which is kind of crazy to think about. Because of the fact that YouTube encompasses all different types of genres, and we as human beings use products. We all use different types of products. So as long as you are in some kind of a niche or industry, you would be able to recommend products. And that's why affiliate marketing is talked about so much. And that's why people often refer to it as like a gold rush or a gold mine, because of the fact that as long as you are talking about something, chances are there are products that you can recommend when it comes to affiliate marketing. Like even for myself, I can think of maybe, I have a website myself, but maybe if I want to recommend people who are starting a business, I can recommend Squarespace or Wix as well, because those are easy to use interfaces that can help you create a website very quickly and easily. The other interesting thing I want to talk about when it comes to the nature of affiliate marketing is the fact that essentially these companies are just using money to buy the nurture sequence, to buy the whole idea of building a relationship. So rather than, let's say, Nike trying to build a relationship with a potential customer, they can just tell me to recommend Nike because I've already built an existing relationship with the audience. And that's really valuable. That's something that you can't really put a price on. And that's why affiliate marketing and sponsorships in general work so well, because of the fact that if I'm recommending something to you, you can trust me to know that that product works for myself. So for this last part, I'm going to go kind of in depth to educate a bit more about 2 examples of some of the better affiliate marketing strategies that are out there. The first one I want to talk about is Amazon. And you probably might have noticed that I was going to talk about it already, or I might even have Amazon in the thumbnail, just because everybody uses Amazon affiliate links. But hopefully I'm going to be able to add something to the conversation. So the first reason why I recommend using Amazon is because of the fact that it is so proliferate everywhere. Everybody uses Amazon, which means that if you're able to capture that demographic, you're able to provide that value, then you are just you're not putting your viewers in any kind of awkward or uncomfortable state because most people already use it. Another reason why Amazon is a great affiliate link is because of the fact that they have a tracker which lasts for 24 hours. And that might sound bad to start off with, but what ends up happening is that they track not only in terms of the product that you're recommending, but they also track that person's Amazon behavior and purchases for the entire 24 hours. This means that if I suggest for you to buy a rice cooker on Amazon and you click on that link on Amazon and you see the rice cooker but you realize you don't like to eat rice, then what you might end up doing is on the sidebar or somewhere else on the site, you see that, oh, there's a knife set that I really want to buy. So it's almost like a finder's fee. It's the fact that I was able to get you to be on the Amazon webpage, to be in the store. That is already sufficient enough for the commission to work. So at the end of the day, within 24 hours, if you end up purchasing something from Amazon, just because of the fact that I suggested you to buy that rice cooker, even though you didn't buy the rice cooker, but instead you bought a car, I would still be able to get some of that commission. And that's one of the reasons why Amazon is one of the useful and possible ways for you to be able to make money using affiliate marketing. All right, the second example that I want to provide for you when it comes to a good affiliate marketing company is SEMRush. SEMRush has been around for a while, and they have worked with large companies and small ones. Their affiliate program is pretty straightforward, but the key here is that you get a 40% commission. This means that if you're recommending somebody else to use SEMRush, you'll be able to receive 40% of whatever their purchase is, whether they buy the basic, premium, or enterprise plan. SEMRush, at its bare bones, is an SEO tool. It's similar to a lot of other tools out there, and the reason why is because there's so many businesses who are trying to go online and find customers. So SEMRush provides management software, provides keyword tools, provides SEO tools, and keyword management so that you will be able to get as much of a reach as possible when it comes to your product or when it comes to your services. I will definitely link their website below so that you can see more, but it is pretty straightforward. The key here is that it is a useful SEO platform, which allows you to maximize your reach on YouTube, on Google, or wherever the case it might be for your products or services. That's the reason why I suggest both of these companies, because of the fact that even though there are a lot out there, like you can go on forever, and even when I was doing this research and with the creators I've worked with in the past, there are many different ways of affiliate marketing. But one thing that I can say for sure is that these two examples that I listed, they're pretty concrete in a sense where with the right combination of content and suggestions and recommendations, you would definitely be able to make some money off of these affiliate marketing products. Well, that's going to be it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video. If you want to see more of my content, subscribe, like this video, and leave me in the comments below what you thought about the different examples of affiliate marketing today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.